Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sayyid Dian Abdullah, and I am from Standard 7. Today is 15th August, Independence Day. Our country became free from British slavery on 15th August 1947. The British did many atrocities on our people. Many leaders sacrificed their lives to liberate our country, in which many great leaders like Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose were India's grand independence. The people of India elected their first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who hosted the national flag for first time at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi. All people celebrate this special day. Flag is hosted proudly in schools, government officials. I love my India.
क्लैप योर हैंड्स।
वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।